And welcome everybody to our meteorology segment. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I'm your host Dan, aka Smash-O-Mash, and let's get to the jet streams of the Western world. There you go, it's the 250 hectopascal winds, a specific wind pressure showing us the likely locations of the jet streams. Some huge bends here over the Atlantic Ocean. Bit of chaos there over South America. We've got some jet stream going into a backward mode here, blowing toward the Atacama Desert, creating some major weather-type convergences there in northwestern South America. Here are the surface winds of this side of the planet. And let's rotate to the east. Am I too small? There we go. There's a larger size. Huge low-pressure system here south of the Aleutians. Otherwise, not a lot to report on that side. Pretty unremarkable. Here are the jet streams of the east side. Shout out to our viewers from under. And I mean from under the equator. Chaotic jet stream there in the southern hemisphere, especially around eastern Australia and New Zealand. Some huge kinks there in the jet stream. Also a powerful low pressure here, rather an anticyclone here. See this counterclockwise rotation, an indication of a high pressure zone there to the northeast of New Zealand. Let's continue on, as there's plenty of stuff to cover here. Let's look at temperature anomaly here. This is the GFS forecast for temperature anomaly over the next 72 hours. Expecting some very warm temperatures there in the center of the country. Looking at something like nearly 20 degrees Celsius above normal. So that'll be quite warm weather there for you folks in places like Nebraska and Kansas. Again, it's a 72-hour GFS temperature anomaly forecast, and a reminder that temperatures are shown here in Celsius degrees. Next, a 72-hour precipitation and pressure forecast based on the same GFS model. And we're getting some wet snow here, about to change to rain, I think, in eastern Pennsylvania. Basically a nuisance snow. I think we've got maybe an inch and a half or something like that already. Showing some forecasts to be incorrect. So here's the next 3 days on the European forecast model. So there's 24 hours. So quite a bit of snow here forecasted for the northern Rockies. For the most part, what you see is what you get in the mid-Atlantic states. A little bit more expected to fall in places like West Virginia there. Again, that's the European model, and that is for new snow from windy.com. Next, weather.gov. There is your alert map, some hard freeze warnings in southern Texas as the jet stream is blasting some cold Albertan air all the way down into Mexico and the Gulf of Mexico. If your county is lit up, just click your county at weather.gov. Next, looking at your NASA GOES lightning mapper. Just give that a minute to set up. We are streaming live to twitch.tv/Smash-O-Mash. Let's just switch to a real-time lightning map as that looks jacked. So here's your real-time lightning map, and I just wanted to note that lightningmaps.org does obviously not have any lightning sensors in South America, or it would be showing up there. So keep in mind it's not a full global view, but if it does have sensors where you're located, it is quite useful indeed. Again, this video was originally streamed live to Twitch. Can anybody tell me in the comments what is required in order to gain Twitch followers? I don't understand it. Smash staff tells me that the Smash News Network least busted name in news is one of the top technology streamers. It's actually number 2 behind only one other person who's got like probably hundreds of thousands of followers. So please host the content if you're a Twitch channel that's got a lot of viewers. Let us know in the comments how to gain Twitch followers. We don't really spend a whole lot of time promoting it, but we do stream every day, so you would think we'd be picked up somewhere. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers as well. BitChute.com/SmashAmash. And if you're viewing there, make sure you view on YouTube. You're missing the daily space weather videos, and there's a coronal mass ejection headed our way. So you may want to check that out. Also, consider becoming a member of the Smash Team at smashamash.com/Smash Team. Support our efforts that way. We've replaced Patreon with something better, our own website, and it is just spectacular. We love it, and so do our subscribers. There's also a bronze level there, so you can go for silver level, gold level, or bronze level, different benefits to each level. There's also an email subscription list that you can sign up for free at the bronze level. Silver level is $2.99 a month, and gold level is $9.99 a month. There's also a paid-up annual subscription level that gets you free merch, and by far the best value. This is the water vapor over the Pacific Ocean, Earth's largest surface heat sink and largest body of water. A bunch of dry air here over the west coast of the U.S., likely making for some clear skies there from Oregon southward. Next, U.S. Doppler Radar will zoom out here briefly to show Alaska and Hawaii. Shout out to our viewers from those states. And if you've never left a comment before on the channel, let us know where you're located by leaving us a comment. Tell your friends and foes about us. Tell them to leave comments too. And to share on Facebook or whatever your favorite social media is. Let us know in the comments what your favorite social media is. We want to know. Next, a shortwave radiation map showing you clouds and fog at nighttime. And you can see how the jet stream is blasting air due south there, bringing cold air to normally warm places. Lastly, the water vapor map. And how about a recap? U.S. Doppler Radar. Let's try that again. U.S. Doppler Radar. Shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog. And the water vapor. Once again, you can see that cold air blasting down. Thanks for blasting through the video. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. SmashOmash, signing off. From the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.